Greetings, guys. This is Glinvest Crypto. Now, you all know that we are in the test phase of the Satoshi or Core Airdrop. That mining has ended on Core. Now we are in the phase where they are testing their airdrop system of their app. You already know the plans or the roadmap of the core network or core chain. So they have released the newly updated app, and I've downloaded it already and updated mine. I have joined one or two airdrops, but I just want to show you, for those of you who do not know how to update the app, it's going to be a quick guide, and I'm going to show you how to join the airdrops. So this is the app. You can see that I've joined the airdrop, and yeah, you see, you go to download and you copy the URL there and go straight to your Chrome browser. Now, in your Chrome browser, when you load it, it will come up here. Always download here the APK. So once it's downloaded, you will install and it will override the previously installed one. It is not yet available on Google Play. It is on the site here. So once it has done that, it will install and you will see your app like this. I've already joined one project. Now you can click on select project. See it here, selected project. Click on all. Now you will see I've already joined testcoin A. Now this is testcoin 2, testcoin B, and testcoin C. They said okay. Now they said number of airdrop coins all over, number dropped. So I'm going to click on it and I'll click on participate in airdrop. You successfully participated in airdrop. Participate in this project airdrop will take effect in the next round of airdrops in the system. The next round of airdrop is expected in 61 minutes. This round of airdrop will not appear in the list. So they've stated that this test phase is set to be a 7-day period. After successfully finishing this test phase, we'll officially launch the project to start the brand new airdrop function around December 26th. So to say, this Satoshi app is going to become is going to serve the use as a site for airdrops on projects launching on the core chain. Now that is for testcoin C. So testcoin B. I'm joining participating in airdrop for testcoin C. Now, as you can see, airdrops, selected projects. Good. Now these are the projects that I have joined. Now what will happen is that in the next phase of airdrop, I will be airdropped the amount that's to be airdropped into my account. So that is just it. It's very simple. Remember, these coins do not have value. They don't have value. They are test coins. So this is just the test phase. The next phase is after 26th. That is when you get to participate in the main airdrop. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and click the like button for the video. I remain Glinvest Crypto. Thank you.